Hello, Techie Tutor here with your tip of the day. I'm going to show you about using a function in your control panel, which you will access by sliding down from the top right corner of your iPhone and choosing the setting for focus. You can see I have a few settings here: personal, work, sleep, fitness, driving, and gaming, that are already customized. If you want to add one, you press the plus sign and you can get started. You can either set up your own by pressing custom or choosing one of the ones allowed. Customize it here. You can choose to silence notifications from certain people or all people, and you can choose what apps will be able to disturb you. You can also choose how to customize what your iPhone looks like when you're in this focus. You can set a schedule just by pressing Add Schedule, and you can use focus filters to remove any distractions. If you set up a filter in focus, if you set something up and then you decide it doesn't work for you, you can press on it and then go to the bottom and press Delete Focus. I hope you have learned something from my tip of the day. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more.